JB Kind's urban industrial door range enables everyone to enjoy industrial-style interior doors in their homes. Available in a number of designs, the Civic and Plaza doors featured are in keeping with the range's core trend of minimalist sophistication. All designs within the range are available pre-finished in black or white, with both solid and clear glazed versions. The 6-panel Civic door's most fetching feature is its large central lock block, which simply shouts out contemporary style. The Civic glazed doors look stunning whether fitted individually or as a pair, in either black or white. The Plaza door features 10 panels and, in keeping with the industrial style theme, has an offset lock block which enhances the door perfectly. Whether it's chosen in black or white, glazed or unglazed, this is a stunning door design. Urban industrial doors can be fitted with regular handles and hinges without the need to purchase expensive specialist ironmongery. The glazed doors are made with individual panes of glass, making them structurally robust, as well as having solid lock blocks, so there is no risk of drilling into the glass. The doors will fit easily into both new and existing door frames, with a 10mm trimming allowance on the bottom edge to accommodate different flooring levels. The solid doors are constructed with 9mm MDF panels, which make them more robust and thicker than similar alternatives on the market.